Hello everyone, so we are the three assets and we come up with this name because assets is the most important thing that you must have in having a business. So for us, you are the greatest assets of the business of your life. And I am Jeffrey Del Rosario and I'm the hustler of the group or the leader.
Hello everyone. So again, we are the three assets. We are going to report the business model canvas. Ano ba yung business model canvas? The business model canvas is a great tool to help you understand business model in a straightforward and structured way. Using this canvas will lead to insights about the customers you serve, what value propositions are offered through what channels, and how your company makes money. You can also use the business model canvas to understand your own business model or that of a competitor. So, yung business model canvas, para lang siyang value proposition. But yung business model canvas, mas detailed siya and mas madali mo siyang maintindihan. And dito pumapasok, meron na siyang channels. So, yung channels, yung parang medium na para makapag-communicate ka sa mga customers mo. Like for example, through internet and pwede rin namang in person, mga ganun. And then, doon mo rin makikita kung paano gumagawa ng pera yung company mo. Then next, historical notes. The business model canvas were initially proposed in 2005 by Alexander Osterwalder, born 1974, as his business theorist, author, speaker, consultant, and entrepreneur, known for his work on business modeling. Based on his earlier work, Business Model Ontology, since the release of Osterwalder's work around 2008, new canvases for specific niches have appeared in historical notes. And why do we need a business model canvas? Saan nga ba natin kailangan yun? The BMC provides a quick overview of business model and is devoid of unnecessary details compared to the traditional. So sabi ko nga, kapag as business model canvas yung ginawa mo kapag magsisimula ka ng business, is talagang siguradong mag-boom yung business mo and mas madali mong maiintindihan yung business mo. The visual nature of business model canvas makes it easier to refer to understand by anyone. It's easier to edit and it can be easier shared with employees and stakeholders. Next, the business model canvas can be used by large corporations as well as startups with just a few employees. So yung business model canvas, hindi lang sa mga big business. So pwede rin siyang gamitin ng mga mas maliliit na business. Kahit sino naman talaga pwedeng gumawa niya. Then it clarifies how different aspects of business are related to each other. You can use BMC template to guide brainstorming session on defining your business model effectively. So yun nga yung business model canvas. So yun, dagdag ko lang yan nga. The business model canvas is a shared language for describing, visualizing, assessing, and changing business models. It describes the rationale of an organization, creates, deliver, and capture value. So ito yung pinakamadaling and pinakamagandang method para magsimula ng isang business and para 100% mag-success yung business mo.
Good day everyone. My name is Joshua F. Tipiesta. I'm hacker. So, didiscuss natin ngayon yung business model canvas. How to make business model canvas. So, it is a great tool to help you understand a business model. So, in a straightforward. So, using this canvas will lead to insight about the customer you serve, what love proposition are offered through what channels, and how your company makes money. So, business model canvas is filling you out of business model canvas. So, you will brainstorm and conduct research on each these elements. The data you collect can place in each relevant section of canvas. So, have a business model canvas ready when you start the exercise. So, sa business model canvas, meron tayong elements na tawag na meron tayong customer segment. For the customer segments, so these are a group of people, companies that you are trying to target and sell your product or services to. So, segmenting your customer based on similarities such as geographic area, gender, age, behavioral interest, and etc. give you the opportunity to better serve their needs, especially by customizing the solution you are providing them. So, sa customer segments, so there are different groups or people organized your enterprise aims to reach and serve. So, meron tayong tinatawag na types of customer segment. So, the types of customer segment is a mass market, niche, segmented, diversified, multi-sided. For the mass market, so unsegmented market in which product is produced and attempt to appeal the whole market. So, example na to. So, drinks, mobile device. For the segmented market, niche market. For the niche market, product and services that are intended for a specific group. So, example na to, yung medical equipment, especially food. So, for the medical equipment, ito yung mga gamot, so any medical equipment. So, yun yung tinatawag natin niche market. For the segmented market naman, so it's the practice of dividing your target market into approachable groups. So, example na to, yung demographic, psychographic, and behavioral and demographic. For diversified naman, so it is serving market with different needs and wants. So, example na to. So, business to customer, and business to business market. So, each has a widely diverse set of needs, yet the company is able to serve both market effectively. So, that is multi-sided market. So, multi-sided market, so serve interdependent customer and segmented. So, types of market segments. So, demographic segmentation, geographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation. For the demographic segmentation, so assumption ng age, gender, income, education, and climate. So, for the geographic, country, city, density, language, population. So, psychographic naman, lifestyle, personality, value, attitude, so etc. So, for the behavioral, benefits, so for case usage, infant acquisition, user status, and engagement. So, yun yung types of market segment. For the next is the business model. Another element is number 2 is customer relationship. So, in this section, you need to establish the type of relationship you will have with each of your customer segments, or how you will interact with them throughout their journey with your company. There are several types of customer relationship. For the customer relationships, process used by business to engage with customer and foster long-term relationship with them. So The personal assistance. You interact with the customer in person or by email, through phone call, other means. So customer can communicate with real customer representative to get help during the sale process or after the purchase is complete. So dedicated personal assistance, you assign a dedicated customer yan sa representative to individual customer. So next is self-service. Self-service, here you maintain no relationship with the customer but provides what the customer needs to help themselves. So in this type, so a company maintains no direct relationship with customer, so it provides all the necessary means for customer to help themselves. So next is automated service. So this include automated process or machinery that helps customer perform service themselves. So for example, the personal online profile gives customer access and customized service. So next is communities. This includes online communities where customer can help each other solve their own problems with regard to the product or services. So next is co-creations. So here the company allows the customer to get involved in the designing or development of the product. For example, YouTube has given user the opportunity to create content in this audience. So sa customer relationship, kailangan nating gamitin to para maagawa tayo ng isang magandang pakikitungo sa ibang customer. So kailangan natin makipag-communicate at kailangan nating gumawa ng paraan para makilala ang ating business. So next is channel. So this block is to describe how your company will communicate with and reach out to your customer. So channel are two touch points that let your customer connect with your company. So channel play a role raising awareness of your product and services among customer and delivering your value proposition up to them. So channel can also be used allow customer the value by product or service and offer post-purchase support. For example na to, yung social media, TV, vlogs, so other channels na maaaring makapagkaroon tayo ng communicate sa isang customer or mahikayat natin yung customer na o maipakita natin yung ating business para ganahan silang bumili. So how are we going to tell our customer segment about our value proposition? So are they on social media? Are they at an event or conference? So where are your customer? Are they driving their car, listening to the radio? So do they watch TV at the 7 only Friday night? So good questions to ask what identifying the channels to reach your customer. So ito example ng channel. So social media, yun nga, public speaking, electronic mail, networking, search engine marketing, viral marketing, targeting blogs, sale and promotion. So existing platforms, unconventional, where social advertising, trade show, content marketing, community building, offline advertising, or billboard, TV, radio. So yun yung mga example ng channel. So next is key activities. The key activities of a business are the actions that the business undertakes to achieve the value proposition for the customer. So The following are categories of example or of key activities. So, categories. So, the productions, problem solving, platform, network. So, for the productions, so natin designing, manufacturing, and delivering a product in significant quantities and or of superior quality. So, problem solving, finding new solution to individual problems faced by customer. For the platform network, creating a maintaining platform. For example, Microscope provide Microsoft rather, so provide a reliable operating system to support this party software production. Examples: consulting, designing, web development, banking, and driving, shoveling. So next is the key resources. So next you should think about what practical resources are needed to achieve the key activities, actions of the business. This is where you list down which key resources or the main inputs you need to carry out your key activities in order to create your value proposition. So there are several types of key resources and they are. So kailangan natin ng employees, financial, physical. So sa key activities, syempre, para makagawa tayo ng isang business, kailangan natin ng mga tauhan, syempre, trabahador, o yung tinatawag natin employee. So, kailangan natin ng pera. So, physical, yung mga equipment na gagamitin para makagawa tayo ng mga product. So, place, yan, kasama rin yan. And, syempre, kailangan natin ng inventory, buildings, yun nga. So, lines of credit, or etc. So, brand, patience. So, yan.
Hello, sir. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Ano oras niyo po papanoorin to? I'm Adrian Carrasco from the Three Assets and dito ko po simulan yung report ko. Ayan. The Business Model Canvas. Number 6, Key Partners. Key partners are the external companies or suppliers that will help you carry out your key activities. These partnerships are forged in order to reduce risk and acquire resources. Types of partnerships are strategic alliance, partnership between non-competitors. Competition, strategic partnership between partners, competition in the act of cooperation between competing companies, businesses that engage in both competition and cooperation are said to be in competition. Yun daw po, sabi na ito daw ay isang strategic partnership between sa competition na between competing companies and competition, cooperation are said in competition. And joint ventures, partners with developing a new business. Yun, yung mga joint ventures daw yung mga partnership na mga bagong business. Buyer-supplier relationship. Ensure reliable supplies. Ayun, sila nag-ensure ng mga reliable supplies na galing sa key partners. Next, you should think about what practical resources are needed to achieve the key activities or actions of the business. This is where you list down which key resources or main inputs you need to carry out your key activities in order to create your value proposition. These are several types of key resources and they are human, ayan yung mga empleyado, employees, financial, na cash, lines of credit, o kahit ano pang na yun, or intellectual, brand, patents, IP, copyright. Physical, yung equipment, inventory, tapos mga building. Number 7, cost structure. In this block, you identify all of the costs associated with operating your business model. Dito daw ma-identify mo yung mga gastos, mga ano. So, tapos, you need to focus on evaluating the cost of creating and delivering your value propositions. Creating revenue streams and maintaining customer relationship. The following serves as guide questions in determining complete cost structure. How much does it cost to achieve my business key activities? Or what are the costs of my key resources and partnerships? How much does it cost to achieve the value proposition for my customers or users? Are there additional costs to running a business? Legal, insurance. Yan. Dito sa cost structure, ito daw yung mga masasagot niya kung magkano yung magagastos mo para ma-achieve mo yung proposition na gagamitin mo sa mga customer mo. Tapos kung may mga additional pa ba na gastos sa mga gagamit, kung i-legalize niya, tapos yung insurance. Revenue streams. Revenue streams are the source from which a company generates money by selling their product or services to the customer. In this block, you should describe how your business will earn money. Plain and simple. Yun. Dito, ang pinaka-ano lang niya, kung paano kikita. Dito mo sa number 8, dito sa revenue stream, dito mo dapat makikita o madi-describe kung paano makakaipon at kikita ng pera. A revenue stream can belong to one of the following revenue models. Transaction-based revenue. Made from customer who make a one-time payment. Ito, yung sa transaction-based revenue daw, yung customer mo, magbabayad siya ng isang beses lang para bayaran yung kunin niya. Yung pangalawa, recurring revenue made from ongoing payments for continuing services or post-sale services. Ito, kabalik na naman nung isa. Sabi dito, made from ongoing payments for continuing services or post-sale services. Number 9, value propositions. This is the building block that is at the heart of the business model canvas. It represents your unique solution, product or services for a problem, needs, or pain points being faced by a customer segment or that creates value for the customers. They should be unique or should be different from that of your competitors. If you are offering a new product, it should be innovative, and if you are offering a product that already exists in the market, it should stand out with new features and attributes. Ayun, dito sabi niya na dapat dito makikita yung uniqueness ng kaysa sa ibang mga kalabo mo sa, halimbawa, yung maisip mong business may kapareha sa iba. Dapat dito, makakaisip ka ng unique, yung kaiba na mas catchy para mas piliin mo sa'yo. Tapos sabi, if you are offering a new product, it should be innovative. Ayun, dapat innovative yung kung ang product na bago mong maiisip, yung hindi parang normal lang na nakikita ng ibang tao, ganun. And if you are offering a product that is already exists in the market, it should stand out with new features and attributes. Yeah, sabi ko nga, dapat kung mag-offer ka ng product na may mga kaparehas ka, dapat mag-stand out yon at mas gagandaan mo pag-iisipan mo sa'yo para mas piliin yung product mo. Ayan. Ito yung mga example ng business model canvas. Ito, ang example na to yung Amazon business model canvas. Yung key partners daw niya ay mga logistic partner, affiliate, authors and publishers, network, and sellers. Sa key activities, merchandising, product and design. Value proposition, convenience, price, instant fulfillment with e-readers, vast selection. Sa key resources naman ay physical warehouses, human, web application, and development. Customer relationship, self-service. Medyo may mali dito. Dapat. Self-service, automated services. At sa channels niya naman, affiliates, application interfaces, Amazon.com. Search mo to. Kung Amazon.com. Customer segments, individual leverage, group leverage, global consumer market. Sa cost service niya, low cost structure, IT and fulfillment infrastructure, economies of scale. At sa revenue, streams naman ay sale of assets, e-books and content, acquisition and investment, commission on reseller sales, prime monthly subscription fees. Yun. Ito pa isang example sa Spotify naman. Spotify Business Model Canvas. Sa key partners niya ay mga artists. Siyempre, kailangan talaga artist dito. Third-party integrations, record companies. Yan. Siyempre, yung mga ano ng artist dapat talaga record. Paano papakinggan sa Spotify. Key activities yan. Marketing, web and app, development, maintenance, maintaining content. Key resources, brand, platform, technology, employees. Sa value proposition naman ay listen to millions of songs for a particular piece. Access to a playlist generated weekly. Advertising. Yun. Marami nga namang magamit nito. Spotify. Para makinig ng mga bagong kanta. Kasi doon mga mura lang yung fee. Customer relationship, fans, audio streaming, assistance through website, Facebook, and Twitter. Sa channels niya, internet, web app, or mobile app, developer tools. Customer segments, free users, advertisers, subscribers, and developers. Sa cost structure naman, development, platform, marketing, customer service, salaries. At sa revenue niya ay revenue from subscription fees at revenue from advertisements. At isa pa, ito naman ano to, para siyang galing siya ng bakery. Pinala ko na lang sweet 3 assets. Siyempre, bago cake, tumes. Tapos inibagay ko na lang sa group namin na 3 assets. Ayan. Ang key partners nito, pag yung mga ganon, ay fruit stores that sell materials and ingredients of cake. Investors, hotel managers, hotel restaurant sponsors. Key activities, celebrations, festivals, ceremonies, birthdays, hotel and fests. Key resources ay physical warehouses. And nagkamali po ako dito. Lapot. Typo error. Value propositions. A app that can design your own cupcakes. With the cell phone or iPad, you send it and we prepare to you. Yon. Kung ano yung mga send mo na gusto mong gawin, gusto mong pagawa, gusto mong gawin, yon. Dito, yun din yung gagawin. The best service ever in the bakery shop. Syempre, gumagawa din ng mga ikaw napipili ang design. Kami nung gagawa. Customer relationship, trust, politeness, honesty, services, and dedicated assistance. Channels, awareness, evaluations, purchase, delivery, vehicle, and after sales. Customer segments, children, adults, sweet eaters, and special people. Siyempre, pag special people, sabihin mo na, may celebrations, ganun. Birthday, wedding. Actually, pwede rin na kasama rito mga teenagers. Kahit sino naman dito pwede. Basta may sa matatamis. Tapos hilig sa mga cake pag may mga celebration. And cost structure, machinery, advertisement, supplies of food and decoration, big shops, materials, employers, programs. Sa revenue naman ay events, cupcakes, chef classes, cakes, social media, and sweet stuff. At yun lang. Yan po. Thank you for listening. So, God bless.